An exclusive update on the brutal Mahalakshmi murder case. The accused Mukti Rajan Roy has reportedly committed suicide. Republic Kannada has obtained exclusive footage from the scene showing the police, with assistance from the locals, removing the body. Karnataka police have conducted a spot inspection in Odisha where they visited the accused residence to gather information. Let's remember, viewers, that we accessed the accused diary where he admitted, I repeat, the prime suspect has admitted to cutting the body into 59 pieces. The main accused in the case has been found dead. Let's go to Sri Lakshmi joining us live from a Republic Kannada newsroom. Sri Lakshmi, there are two things happening over here. Number one, prime accused found dead under mysterious circumstances. And number two, the diary has been accessed from the prime accused where he has confessed that yes, indeed, he did cut the pieces of the body into 59 pieces. Two big updates coming in the Mahalakshmi murder case. Go ahead, Sri Lakshmi.
Yes, Shivangi, police have gathered many informations by conducting a severe probe into it, and in collaboration with Odisha police, police have conducted the investigation, and Republic Kannada has access to all this information. It is said that in his diary he has mentioned about his relationship with Mahalakshmi. He has also said that Mahalakshmi used to, get agitated when he speaks to other girls over there in his own workplace where both were working. And he has also mentioned that Mahalakshmi used to ask him to get married. So all these things used to create pressure in him. That's what he has mentioned. And he used to know everything about Mahalakshmi and her life. It is also said that this Mukti Ranjan was a kind of a very short-tempered person and used to conduct things in very bad temperament. And the big question here in the crime scenario is, how did he cut the body without, getting a drop of blood sprinkled over there in the place? The body is neatly cut and not a single drop of blood stain over there in Mahalakshmi's house. And the police are yet to know in which, in what way he has conducted this criminal act. And what weapon has been used to cut this body. And he has accepted, mainly the main point is he has accepted that on 2nd of September he did this heinous crime, and it's been quite a long that he done that. And how come the crime has not come out, and the people around who are staying around there are not getting to know about this? And it is also said that he fled to Odisha fearing arrest. Later on there he committed suicide, fearing the arrest itself. It is yet to know that what kind of a person he is. Is he having any kind of mental disorder, or were there any more people involved in the crime?